Harvey, keep your camera on. So guys, after you are done, just send me like a confirmation in the chat you are done, or you can speak also. So Tanish, we have to make a graph of y equal to 2 to the power x. And the thing which we discussed before you came is next time beta be on time. Okay, if you are Tanish, if you are getting late, just join from the
Yes, sir.
device. Just join from the device.
Okay,
Any
sir.
device that you have, mobile, tab, जो भी हो आप join कर लो कार से. ठीक है, at least you
Okay,
can
sir.
be a part of the class. We can move ahead. The thing we discuss is till your September trials, we'll be focusing on both. Like half classes I'll take off additional, half I'll take off extended. I'll make sure your extended syllabus gets covered. So four have done. So
Well
Kuvarsa
done.
done. Okay, let's see. So first I put x equal to 0. So what value of y will I get?
The two. One. The one.
1.
One.
X equal to 1, y equal to 2.
Two.
X equal to 2, y equal to 4.
Four.
Kuvarsa x equal to minus 1, y will be equal to what?
1/2.
1 by 2. X equal to minus 2, y equal to 1 by 5.
1/4.
So 0, 1, then 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 4, then minus 1 comma 1 by 2, and minus 2 comma 1 by 4. So the graph will be like this. Can you see? So is it matching?
Yes, sir. So it is a bit similar. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bit similar. मतलब शक्ल मैच कर रही है कि शक्ल क्या मैच कर रहा है?
सर मैच कर रहा है बस
मैच कर रहा है ना? That's great.
कैसे मैच
Okay. So kids, I will introduce you to one more term. Guys, मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ. मैं जब आपकी बुक से चालू करूंगा ना, then I have started teaching you additional maths. अभी it is all extended. I am just teaching from the further chapters. If you notice, will the value of the function of y equal to 2 to the power x be equal to 0? Yes or no? Just give me in the chat whether you think its value can be 0 or not. Just think in the chat quickly. 1 minute question, guys. 1 minute question. 1 minute question, guys, quickly. So, Ore, what are you thinking? All right. So, Tanish, it cannot reach 0. कभी भी इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू 0 नहीं हो सकती. आप छोटे से छोटे. यस.
सर ओके सर ओके
ये जो लाइन है ना, ये 0 होगी नहीं, ये बस पास आते जाएगी. कैन यू सी?
यस सर
So this gives me another definition. If a value of a function, approaches a particular value but does not exactly reach there, so that is called that line is called the asymptote. That line is called the asymptote. And for this function, y equal to 0 is the horizontal asymptote. Is the horizontal. There is no need to write also, just you can understand a bit. And we'll come to this topic, we'll do in details. So this y equal to 0 is the horizontal asymptote. Okay, guys. Now, guys, draw the graph of y equal to root x. अब इसका मैं डोमेन की बात करूं तो x belongs to R. रेंज की बात करूं तो व्हाट विल बी द रेंज? किड्स, इसका रेंज क्या होगा?
Y cannot be 0.
No, beta. Anyone else wants to give answer for the range? No one?
So
No.
minus infinity to plus infinity. So anyway.
No. So don't hesitate to make mistakes, guys. गलत दे दो, but speak the answer. और एक वर्षा, समय stop texting.
Sir, y is equals to root x.
ये तो आपको नेक्स्ट ग्राफ बनाना है. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ व्हाट इज द रेंज. नो पारवी, योर्स इज आल्सो नॉट. गाइस आप देखो मेरी वैल्यू 0 से लेके पूरे सब कवर कर रही है. अनवी कभी नेगेटिव
It
वैल्यू
can be
दिख रही है
anything.
फंक्शन की आपको? कैन यू सी एनी नेगेटिव वैल्यू अनवी? So the range will be y greater than 0 and y belongs to R, means y is a real number and it is greater than 0. नेगेटिव नहीं है, जीरो नहीं, बिकॉज y इक्वल टू जीरो इज द असिम्प्टोट. जीरो कभी नहीं पहुंच रही. ग्रेटर देन जीरो, यस. अंडरस्टूड. सो प्लीज ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ y इक्वल टू रूट एक्स. सेंड मी डन वंस ड्रॉन. तानिश, वर्षा, where is my work? Is it done, Tanish?
Sir, done.
Okay. Versa, is it done? Mr. Kuar,
Yes, sir.
is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So tell me, Kuar, let's start with you. When x is equal to 0, y will be what?
0.
Don't mute yourself. X is equal to 1, y will be?
Sir, it will be something in points. 1.4 something.
Beta, square root of 1 is 1 only. When x equal to 2, Tanish, what will be y?
Uh,
Sir,
Sir, for this we need a calculator. So I calculated 1.414.
बेटा वो तो √2 की वैल्यू होगी. √2 की वैल्यू होगी 1.41. x इक्वल टू 3, y इक्वल टू 1.73. 1 का स्क्वायर रूट 1 ही होगा.
Okay.
अंडरस्टूड?
Okay.
Because 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So x equal to 4, y equal to 2. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2 and 1.41 and 3 and 1.73. So this is
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, सर हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि अगर एक्स स्क्वायर का ग्राफ जैसे वो नीचे बनता है तो वाई तो एक्स अंडर रूट का ग्राफ ऊपर से बनेगा.
नो बेटा ऐसे तो नहीं होगा. ये ग्राफ होगा आपका. This will be your graph. Now I cannot take negative values because negative values की square root define नहीं होगी. So who wants to give me the domain for this function? Speak up, guys.
Sir, greater than 0.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes.
Sir, I just checked, like, under root. Sir, it is, sir, on the Desmos, it is coming, like this, sir, x raised to the power minus 2, I did.
You want to see Desmos. You don't trust me. You want to see Desmos. See.
Okay, sir, so then I must have put the value wrong, sir.
So Samir trust Desmos more than me. That's great. So what will ओरे आपके जो डोमेन बताई उसमें थोड़ा सा गलत है. So x, what should be the right answer? Anyone else?
Sir, x is equal to or greater than.
Yes, x is greater than or equal to c. So Parvi, your answer was also correct. What will be the range?
So 0 to infinity.
So y is greater than 0.
Y is greater than or
Or
equal
equal
to
to.
Y is
c.
greater than equal to 0.
Yeah. So all right, we have got a basic idea about the most common functions. So then we will go to the definition of functions. So this again, this printout is also from this scanned copy is also from your extended maths book. So who wants to read? So let me give the chance to Samay. Please read.
Yes, sir. The idea of a function is
Here.
yes, sir.
11. Yeah.
7.3 functions. The idea of a function is used in almost every branch of mathematics. The two common forms of notations used are fx is equal to x square plus 4 and f ratio x is x plus 4. In this course, however, only the first notation is used. You interpret the second form as function f such that x is mapped onto x squared plus 4.
So those are both the two forms how we define or write a function. Now, basically right now, even now, because I'm just giving you an introduction, you just take function as an equation of x. So this is read as function of x, f of x is equal to x square plus 4. This is read as function f such that x is mapped onto x square plus 4. So generally we always use the first notation only. Now this, let's say your function is f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Now if I ask you to find the value of f of 1, so in place of x you will put 1 plus 4 that is equal to 5. Understood? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right, so do the first
Sir, what
A.
is f?
F बेटा आपके नेम में तानिश क्या है?
Sir,
What is Tanish?
my name.
Your name ना, तो बस फंक्शन को भी हम ऐसे ही लिखते हैं. You, how do you write
Okay,
Tanish?
sir.
अगर आपसे कोई पूछे
Sir, T
कि
double
इसमें ये टी क्या है, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? तो ऐसे ही हम वी राइट फंक्शन एज एफ ऑफ एक्स. अगर कोई फंक्शन होगा तो हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. अगर ए का फंक्शन होगा, वील राइट एफ ऑफ ए. ओके, दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ ए एंड दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ
Okay,
एक्स.
sir. Yeah.
So first question understood, first A and B part.
Sir, can you please explain the what we were doing? I got disconnected because of my internet issue.
Got disconnected.
Yes, sir.
Whose name is not there?
Sir, Sami.
Me. So what I said is, beta, we will put in the values. जैसे मैं आपसे पूछूं f of 2. This is the how we define a function. This is f of x equal to x square plus 4. It's kind of an equation. So what we do is, in place of x, we put 2. So I will get my answer. Okay? You will get the answer of f of 2. Understood, Kovarsa? बस
Okay.
x की जगह अभी आप 2 पुट करो. You will get the answer. That's it.
Sir, so f shows that it is a function.
Yes.
Sir, if it is f bracket 2, then it will become 2f.
What did you say?
Sir, if it is f bracket 2, then it will become 2f.
No, beta. It means that, see, the function of f of x was x square plus 4. Let me take this example. So f of 2 means you have put 2 in place of x. So you
Yes,
will
sir.
get 8. ये मैंने इसका example I have shown you. All right.
Yes, sir.
So please give the answer.
Okay, sir.
It's the simplest question possible. Everyone understood? Guys, मैं I think मैं explain एक बार और कर देता हूँ. F of 2 means I will just put 2 in place of x. So f of 2 will be 3 into 2 minus 1. So it will be 5. So Anvi and Ore. Anvi, understood? Okay. So just do the B part. Those who have not done, just do the B part now.
Sir, I've sent both my answers together.
Over. बेटा, केवल x की जगह 2 पुट करना है. f of 2 means x की जगह 2 पुट करना है बस. Where is Kuvar?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I have solved here. 3 into 2 minus 1 gives me 5. So now you just have to put minus 2 in place of x. In place of x, okay. X will be replaced by minus 2. तो x नहीं आएगा फिर इक्वेशन.
And now is it correct?
Yes. And what's my second answer?
So you asking me?
No, and. So do the C, D, E parts. And what is my answer for B part?
Sir, 8.
How beta, how it is 8? So we just put minus 2 here. So f of minus 2 will be 3 times minus 2 minus 1. So that will be minus 6 minus 1 equals to minus 7.
Then we have to put the above one formula, that x square plus 4.
बेटा question that was just the definition. Question तो मेरा ये है. This is my question. Okay.
Okay.
Every time function will be different. Samay, when I give 3 questions, I need 3 answers.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, I've sent.
Danish, you can speak your answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, G bracket 1 is equals to
Beta, we
0.
don't say G bracket 1, G of 1.
G bra Okay,
G of
sir.
1.
G of 1 is equal to 0. G of 3 is equals to minus 8. And
And f of x
x
is
is
1.
equals to 2 upon 3.
So 3x minus 1 is equal to 1. So 3x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 by 3.
Sir, I edited my answer, sir.
So
Sir, that's what I said.
Anne and Ray, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So Anne, please read.
The numbers that are allowed to go into a function are called its domain. The numbers that come out of the function are called its range. A function's domain and range can be illustrated using a mapping diagram. Here is a mapping diagram for the function f(x) equals
F
2x
of
plus
x. F of
f of x
x.
equals 2x plus 1.
Guys, what happens? We put 1, we get 3. We put 2, we get 5. We put 3, we get 7. We put 4, we get 9. So it's called a mapping diagram. Correct? Here we have values of x. Here we have values of f of x, which is also referred to as y. ठीक है? Any doubts इसमें? कोई problem? No problem? So do this question. Example 1. So guys, you have to give the value of A, B, C. Ore, there are 3 answers. And you have to see this mapping diagram. If you are not able to understand, guys, please ask me. I'll explain. Anvi, there are three answers. So see,
Solving the third one.
okay.
Sir, I'm
So
just
see,
solving.
these are the x values. This is my what I get, f of x और y. तो मैंने वन पुट किया, तो 3 × 1 - 2 मेरे पास आ गया 1. तो ये जो 1 आया ये मेरा आंसर आया, ऑल द y वैल्यू, एंड दिस वन आई पुट इन प्लेस ऑफ x. क्लियर हुआ? ओके, ट्राई इट. तो मिस्टर तानिश,
Sir, I'm running.
all right, Kovar Tanish, you can speak.
Sir, I'm not able to find out for before C it will
See, what
be
is the answer for
43.
A?
Sir, sir, for A it's 1.
नो बेटा, आप 3 पुट करोगे तो f of 3 हो जाएगा 3 × 3 - 2, which is equal to 7. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now what will you put b? आप f of b पुट करते हो तो आता है 3b - 2, which is equal to 22. So 3b equal to 24, b equal to 8. Similarly 15 पुट करोगे, 3 × 15 - 2 is 43. आई टोल्ड बेटा, नहीं समझ में आया मुझसे पूछ लो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम, कुछ क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, जस्ट द कंसेप्ट इज न्यू. सो रे, प्लीज रीड दिस.
Yes, sir. In the diagram on the
1 second, 1 second.
previous,
So they are referring to this diagram. In this,
yes,
if you notice that the function में तो 5 भी ले सकते हो, 6 भी ले सकते हो, but they have just taken 1 2 3 4 in the domain. Did you notice this? No, no one noticed this. No one even tried to ask me why they have taken 1 2 3 4. Yes, read, Mr. Ray.
in the diagram on the previous page, the domain has been defined to be the set of integers 1, 2, 3, 4. The range is therefore the set 3, 5, 7, 9. Note that it is not the function itself that has restricted the domain to just these four numbers. Normally, there would be nothing to stop you evaluating
F
f
of
of
5.
5, for example. In this example, restricting the domain to just the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 is a choice that has been made.
So guys, function इसमें आगे की values भी ले सकता था, but it has been done by choice की the function is, defined for x equal to 1 to 4 only. Okay, so next, Ore, please read.
So far, you have looked at mapping diagrams for functions that are one-to-one. This means that every input value in the domain has a unique output value in the range. However, a function does not have to be one-to-one. It can also be many-to-one, which means that more than one different input value in the domain can have the same output value in the range.
All right, so guys, you have to make a mapping diagram for f of x is equal to x square. उसके लिए आप 2x बना दो. This domain is given to you. So this domain will come in the first egg. All right. So you will find the range and you will map, you will draw lines. Okay. कितना easy है guys ये, है ना? Is it difficult?
No, sir.
This is domain egg and this is range egg.
Sir, done.
So when I put -2 here, what will I get?
Sir, 4.
When I put -1,
1.
1.
Kuvarsa, when I put 0,
0.
0. And when I put 1, what will I get?
1.
1,
When I put 2, what will I get?
4.
4,
When I put 3, what will I get?
9.
9.
9. So I will just write 0, 1, 4, 9. So it's better to write in ascending order. So -2 will go to 4, 2 will go to 4, -1 will go to 1, and 1 will go to 1, 0 will go to 0, 3 will go to 9. Correct? You have to map them like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So don't repeat. If you get two values of 1, if you get two values of 4, you don't have to repeat it. You don't have to repeat the values. Okay? ठीक है? Now, what is this function called? This function is called many to one. So first one जो हम कर रहे थे वो 1 to 1 था. Now this is many to one. Many values are pointing to one value. All right?
Yes, sir.
So I think now we will start the first exercise from the additional maths book. I think we are ready. What do you say, guys? Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I got this book as a PDF or from somewhere.
बेटा दिस बुक की पीडीएफ नहीं मिली होगी, इससे ओल्ड सेकंड एडिशन की मिली होगी आप. That has that and this has a
Yes,
lot.
ये सर
Yes.
थर्ड एडिशन, सर थर्ड एडिशन है ना, ये इसी की मिली है. एक्चुअली देयर इज एन ऑनलाइन रेडिट ग्रुप, वहां पर ये सारी चीजें पोस्ट होती रहती हैं.
तो फिर आप सबको शेयर कर दो. हेल्प एवरीवन.
यस सर, यस सर.
वेरी गुड समय.
Sir is very smart.
Yes, very smart. So Mr. Tan, please read.
The rule connecting the input and output values can be written algebraically as
तानिश बेटा हेडरेस्ट रिमूव करो पहले. प्लीज रिमूव द हेडरेस्ट. या
yes, as
फिर हेडरेस्ट.
x arrow x
why your head is on the head.
x factor x arrow x plus 1. This is read
X
as
is
x is
mapped at
mapped to
mapped
x
as
plus
x
1.
plus 1. X is mapped to x plus 1
The
next.
mapping can be represented graphically by plotting values of x plus 1 against values of
Anish, बेटा
x.
you are reading, you are not, मैं मतलब क्या स्पीच नहीं दे रहे हो रीड करके. मतलब we are reading to understand. Okay, so go slow. Next.
The
This.
diagram shows The diagram shows that for one input value, there is just one output value. It is called a 1-1 mapping. The table below shows 1-1, many 1 and 1 many mappings.
Okay, guys. So see guys, इससे one value गई, one value आई, one value गई, one value आई, one value गई, one value आई, one, and we got one value. This is 1-to-1 mapping. Now, then when we have a diagram y equal to x square, ये y equal to x square का ग्राफ है. So in this, it is what? Suppose you have 2, that also will give you 4. You have -2, that also will give you 4. So multiple x values are giving you same y value or same value of the function. जो भी guys y value आती है ना, your function is y equal to x square. When you put x equal to -2 or x equal to 2, we get y equal to 4. So we are getting same y values or same value of the function. This, whatever we get, this is called the value of the function at at -2 also. This is called value of function at x equal to -2 also. So we get different what? We get same y value. So what type of mapping is this? What type of mapping is this? Many one. Many one mapping. And then we have third. This is y equal to root x plus minus root x. अब guys क्या होगा? So I will इसका फंक्शन होगा y equal to x, correct? Y square equal to x. अब now you get, suppose your y is -2. Then what will be the x value?
4.
Suppose your y is -2. What will be the x value?
4.
Wait 1 second. Suppose your y square is 4. तो x क्या हो सकता है?
-2 or 2.
So x can be what? -2 and +2. Yes or no?
Yes, so plus minus 2.
So then क्या होगा guys? So your -2 and +2. 1 second. This is your 2. So this is your x equal to 2. The value of the function will be 4. And it will be 1.41 plus 1.41 and -1.4. So guys, let's see. अगर आपका function है y equal to plus minus root x, so it can be y equal to 1.41 or y equal to -1.41 also. अगर मैं x equal to 2 put करूंगा, my y can be 1.41 or -1.41, right? So for same x value, I am getting two y's values. Let me write for same x values. We get two y values. Do we get or not? So this type of mapping is called one many mapping. और अगर वन मैनी मैपिंग होगी then it is not a function anymore. I repeat, अगर वन मैनी मैपिंग हो then it is not a function. All right. तो guys एक टेस्ट और होता है that you will we'll discuss in the coming classes. This is a vertical line test to test if जो ग्राफ दिया है वो फंक्शन है कि नहीं है. So if you see this, how many places is my red line cutting the graph? कितनी जगह कट कर रहा है? कितनी जगह कट कर रहा है मेरा ग्राफ गाइस? 1 पॉइंट पे कट कर रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Here also it is cutting at 1 point only. But how many points is my vertical line being cutting the graph now? 2 points. So अगर कहीं more than 1.0, then it is not a function. So means the third one is not a function. Okay. So we'll study this in details in the coming classes. For now, let's discuss this. So first one, everyone do 1, 2, 3. You have to tell the mapping is 1, 1, many, 1 or 1, many. So let me do the first one for you. Is the mapping 1, 1 or many, 1 or 1, many?
1 1.
Guys, बोलो
So we have
भाई.
to send our
One. So first
one to
is
one.
Over, clear हो रहा है
1
नहीं हो रहा? This is 1, 1.
1 1 sir.
Okay. Because when I put one value x की मैंने 0 करी, मेरे फंक्शन की वैल्यू कितनी आई 1. When I put x equal to 1, मेरे फंक्शन की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी 2. So it is 1 1. Every time one value of x will point to one value of y. What about second one?
One to many.
Anyone?
So many to one.
one many one.
So many one. Because मैं x -1 पुट करूं चाहे 1 पुट करूं मेरी वैल्यू सेम आएगी. मैं x -2 पुट करूं चाहे +2 पुट करूं मेरी वैल्यू सेम आएगी. So all right guys, give the answers of 3, 4 and 5 in the chat. Yes guys, give the answer quickly. Anish, you can speak your answer.
Sir, 1 1.
Next.
Sir, many 1.
Next.
Sir, 1 many.
All right guys, मैं इसमें x की वैल्यू -2 डालूं, I get y equal to what? -8. If I put x equal to +2, I get y equal to 8. So guys, it is 1 to 1. For every value of x, I am getting a different value of y. मैंने आई थिंक इसको आपका ग्राफ भी बताया था. So the graph was like this. So for each value of x, मुझे एक different y value आ रही है. Isn't it, Anvi? So what should be my fourth answer, Anvi?
Sir, it should be 1 to 1.
So yes. So fourth answer also is 1 1. First answer also is 1 1. We have seen the graphs also. Let me make the graph of the fourth one. So the graph of this was 1 and it was like this. So clearly you can see every value of x will point a unique value of y. You can put in some values. आपने x equal to 0 लिया, y equal to 1 आया. x equal to 1 लिया, y equal to 2 आया. x equal to -1 लिया, y equal to 1 by 2. So we are getting unique values. So it is also 1 1. What about the fifth one? Is it 1 1, 1 many, Parvi headrest? Is it 1 1, 1 many or many 1? Anvi? Anvi, please remove headrest and answer fifth. What is my answer?
Sir, it's 1 1.
It is also 1 1. So guys, give me the answer of 6th, 7th, 8th. If anyone has not understood any question, they can ask me. Have we understood? Kuvarsa, Tanish.
Yes.
So Anvi and Tanish.
Sir, what is plus minus x?
Beta means अगर x 2 है तो y can be what? Y can be +2 or -2. So Tanish, you can speak your answers now.
Sir, first two are 1 1 and the third one is many 1.
So first two are 1 1. Guys, see, ये होना चाहिए था many 1. This should have been many 1 because -2 से भी same value आएगी, 2 से भी same value आएगी. But because the domain is x greater than equal to 0, that is why it is 1 1. So Ore, Ray, and Kuvarsa. Understood this? Kuvarsa is disconnected. Understood? Now next is 1 1. Everyone got it right. The next, Anvi and Kuvarsa. The same value will point at multiple values. So it will be 1 many. And this is not a function. This is just a mapping. They have asked the mapping, but I'm telling you additional information. This is 1 many is not a function. Okay, guys, थोड़ा सा clear हुआ? Anvi, is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear or we have any doubts?
I still didn't understand the question 8.
क्वेश्चन 8 बेटा, if I give you y can be equal to plus minus 2, तो अगर x 2 है तो y can be equal to plus 2 also and y can be equal to minus 2 also, correct? So the same value of x is pointing towards two values, 2 and minus 2. Understood? Have you understood, Tanish?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, guys. So I'll see you in the next class, preferably on Sunday, and we just text us if it is possible. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Bye, sir. Good night.
That's it.